everyone. I wanted to do a little unboxing. I had a haul video here. These are some vintage lace and trims and things, and I got this over on Instagram from Tiny Home Treasures. Make sure to check her out. She's another one that I really like over there, and she included this cute little I'm assuming it's a vintage fabric. Look at this cute little Santa fabric as a freebie. So sweet. And then everything is just all pretty ripped, so pretty. And this cute little ribbon here. Candy Lane. Alright, so I bought 3 different bundles, and I'm going to save Christmas for last, I think. So here's one of the bundles. So I've been wanting to stock back up on my vintage lace and trims. I do buy new stuff, but I also am on the hunt, and these were good buys. I think it was $15 for all of this. Look how pretty. So pretty. And we have different widths and colors and sizes. That's just gorgeous right there. And then this one here. Love the bows. And then this really pretty one. And little tiny lace. This one, and they almost look like carrots, but I think they're flowers. So cute. That one, love it. And I love the blue. That's what caught my eye. The blue and the pink. I was looking for some more blue. And I think that's a pretty blue, real soft blue. Some little tiny trim. And some more trims here. I like how she cut them with this decorative edge. Oh, I like that one a lot. Oh, and this one's really sweet. So sweet. And then this one. And this one. Okay, that's a great little set. So that's the first one there. And they're all, I think they were all a yard, if memory serves me. A little more than a yard. So very, very nice. Very nice. I like to use these. I'll add, them on tags. I'll add them on the edge of a page with clusters. And this is the next pack. Some more really pretty. And they're vintage, so there might be a little staining on them here or there. This color is really pretty. And again, these are all about 3 yards. Gorgeous. How fun. Super excited to use these. And with my patrons, I also will use these in the projects that I make for my patrons. Very nice. I like these a lot. Love it. Look at all these. Oh, and I like this almost like a yellow. Very pretty. So many of them. That's a fun one. I like getting ones that I haven't seen before. Oh, and that one's pretty. Very nice. Like that. This one's almost like a crochet. Very cool. I guess it's not like, it is. Oh, look at that one. That's really pretty too. Pretty little design. I like these delicate ones. I've pretty much used up all of my delicate ones, so that looks like a rose. That's pretty. That's neat. Oh, and it's like feels silky. Wonder what kind of thread that was. That's really cool. I like that a lot. That one's very pretty. Wow. When I go to estate sales, I'm never this lucky. I don't find these. Look how dainty that one is. So fun. Nice. All right, so that's the other one. And that one, that might have been $18 maybe for this little set. But honestly, I think a good deal. And then here's the Christmas one. All kinds of little goodies in here. So we got some fun little sparkly trim. I'm just going to grab a pretty little ribbon. A Santa and his reindeer. How fun. Oh, and look at this cute one. Very cute. And I love this red and green yarn. Look at that cute little stocking. Oh, that's going to look cute on... That might look really cute on that. I still have some of these available in my Etsy shop. Oh, and the wreath. Look at the sweet wreath. And some rickrack. Very nice. Pretty red. And some green lace. Oh, that's pretty. I've been wanting some green lace. Nice. And oh, a little bit wider, like that. Oh, this is really pretty with the Christmas trees on it. And this is pretty too. It feels like a velvet, and it has the die cut out of it. That's neat. Gosh, okay. And that's another real pretty one. And some more green. Gorgeous. It looks like bells almost. And some more ribbon. Cute. Oh, and look at this one. Nice. Very pretty. I like that. Oh, and some more green. Yay. And that's really pretty. Just a simple little piece. And I like this stuff too a lot. It's pretty. These are all just so cute. Just a nice little touch onto a page or a tag. Oh, this is a glitter rickrack. That's fun. Here's some polka dot green and white. Oh, and look at this. That's adorable. Love that little snowman. How cute would that look? That one would look cute on, oh, maybe on this one. Darling. Oh, so many ideas. Oh, and here's, oh my gosh, a little sleigh and a little Christmas tree. How fun. Oh, and a little poinsettia. Those would be really cute on tags. And then that pretty ribbon. Some more rickrack. Some more of this. This is kind of a glittery red. And cute little piece of that. And then some red rickrack, sparkly. And some more red lace. Wow, what a great pack. Great deal. Check her out over on Instagram if you don't already follow her. And I am going to have to find a bigger container to store my lace and trims. Such a problem to have, right? Not really. All right. Yeah, I will be using these throughout the year. And I think, you know, I'm going to just keep making Christmas stuff even after Christmas, just because the inspiration is still coming. And I don't want to just put it away till next year. So, I mean, I'm doing other projects too, as you'll see. I have some videos coming. I'm doing some vintage children's books projects for that. That's my theme for Patreon for December, because I did the Christmas theme in November, so my patrons would have those items, you know, for the month of December to play around with. So you'll see a mix of Christmas videos, and then you'll see some vintage Christmas videos. So check out, I have a new tier over in Patreon. So you'll get, in addition to the videos and the digitals, the new tier will get a few handmade items from me. So check that tier out as well. And check out my Etsy shop. I still have one Christmas kit left, and I have one December journal left in there. But if someone is interested in, you know, more than one, just message me. I have my email down below. And also, if you want to send my mom a Christmas card, her name is Anne, and the P.O. box is listed down below. I thought it would just be fun. You all have been so sweet and supporting me, and also prayers for her. She still just gets confused. She's called me 3 days this week wondering where I was, you know, if I was going to pick her up and take her to her beauty shop appointment. And, you know, it wasn't the day for her beauty shop appointment. So it's sad just to see her continue to kind of decline, but then she's still with it. Like, she knows who we are. She knows our names. So I think I'm glad that we have her not driving now, because now I'm starting to think that I wonder how many times she got in the car and drove over to the beauty shop on it the wrong day, and just wearing herself out, because it's really, her knees are just bone on bone, I think. So it's really hard for her to walk, and for her to go out, get in the car, drive when she didn't need to. I think she was just wearing herself out. But we still are looking for some sort of aid company that her long-term care insurance will, you know, they're affiliated with, or not affiliated with them, but that they'll, you know, pay their benefit for that particular company. It has to be one of their approved companies on the list, I guess. So we're still working through that, because I think she would benefit from having someone there every day for a few hours to just make sure she eats lunch or dinner, kind of give her some company. So we're still working through all that. And yeah, but yeah, so if you want to send her a Christmas card, that would be fun. And then yeah, I will see you all on the next video. I have a few in the queue that you all will see over the next few weeks. And you all have a wonderful day. And thanks again for all your all support and sweet comments and likes and shares and all that, and your wonderful community. So I will see you all on the next video. Bye.